What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for coming on board and welcome, guys. And right now, let's dive into this video. Are you a student and you want to start earning some money, or you want to start doing buying and selling business? Guys, I got you covered. In today's video, I am going to be showing you 8 fast top selling products that you can start right now and start cashing out. You start making money, doing the things that you've always loved to do, taking good care of yourself, handling some of your bills, assisting your parents or your guardian that is taking care of you. So guys, don't worry, don't just worry. The only thing that I need you to do is you need to be bold to promote your business. You need to be bold to tell people about your product. That is the only way that you can be able to sell your business. Now let's dive into this video. The first product that I am going to be introducing to you right now, number one, is to start selling printed t-shirts and hoodies that has the school logo or the school slogan and some of the attractive, interesting slogan that people are using right now. So right now, I found this slogan that people are using and interested right now. It is Gen Z, anything that you want on top of it. So I think that Gen Z right now is making people like go gaga. So you can use that slogan to make your t-shirts or hoodies and sell them right now because it's going to make you quite lots of money. Number two is to sell thrift wares. Thrift wears ranging from bags, shoes, different kinds of things, and make sure they have good quality ones. Go and source for good quality thrift wears. I remember those days that we were in school. Every Saturdays, some women used to come to our hostels and to show us what they have. So like me, I normally pick some good ones that I can use to attend lectures and the ones we use for parties. So you can get those good quality thrift wears and market it to students. Students have quite lots of population. So if you start this business, you're going to start making money, for yourself. The next product that you can start making money if you start this business is hair and wig. Hair and wig right now is making quite lots of money. You can buy attachment for braids and start selling them, or even these kinky braids and affordable hair wigs. Don't go for the expensive ones. Children, no, I mean students right now, they like to look good. And hair is one of the things that they like to buy and to look good on it. The next, number four, is to go and source for past exam questions, photocopy them, and clink all of them together and start selling them, promoting them. Course outline. I remember those days we used to read. When I was reading, I used to normally read with past question papers. And after reading those past question papers, when I go to exam halls and I find out that all those past question papers, all of them are still going to be repeated there. So if you start sourcing for past question papers and you do photocopies of them ranging from different departments, you are going to make money with that. And also you can sell used textbook, secondhand textbooks. They can make you quite a lot of money because students that particular time they like to read, and if you source for books, secondhand books, you can as well sell them. So source for past question papers, photocopy them, join them together with their course outlines, different departments, and you start selling them. The next product that you can actually sell right now is and start making money is jewelry and accessories. Jewelry and accessories is one of the products that you can actually sell fast. Students they like to look good, ranging from the hand chain, wristwatches, necklaces, and all that. They like to wear those things and look good. So if you are looking for business, buying and selling something products that you can start selling, you can as well go and get those jewelry source for them and they will buy them. When I was in school, someone bought different jewelries. I know I bought like 5 pieces once from my course mates, and she made quite lots of money from that. The next product that you can start selling that is fast in selling for students is electric blender or charger. This electric blender charger can make you quite lots of money because students they came to study actually and they want easy life for themselves. So you can source for easy electric blender for them. Those small, small ones, they will be making you quite lots of money. The next one is to buy beauty products, cosmetics products, and personal care products. These are things that people like to buy, ranging from perfume, oil perfume, body spray, sanitary pads, you understand? Hair cream and all that, and body cream and soap. This will make you quite lots of money once they know that you are selling this. So people will be even calling you, please, do you have this? Do you have that? This is one of the products that people are selling. And as a student, once you start selling all these things, you'll be making money for yourself. The next product that is high and top fast selling that people need more is phone gadgets, phone accessories, ranging from their phone cases, power banks, charger, earpiece, and AirPod. They are all making money for people. You can as well source for them. And this Bluetooth speaker, music loudspeaker that people use to play music for themselves, you understand, and enjoy themselves. They can play those music inside their room, so you can source for these products. They are making money for people. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and see you next. Subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos.